to my videos. I was gonna say vlog, but this isn't a vlog. This is one of my moving series episodes, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna do it something quite similar to my previous video, and as I said at the end, I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag moving edition. And I've actually had this written down in this pad of paper for like a year and a bit, which is how long it's taken me to get this far. Don't worry, it's probably not going to take that long for anyone else watching this, but yes, I'm very organized. But unfortunately I haven't been able to use these lists until now, and it's all come at once. So yes, I've written down a few things of what I need to bring with me on the move. So I'm having a few family members help, and also removals, and I've taken my own car. So I need to make sure that I am fully equipped. So if you are thinking of moving, or you just like watching moving videos, then keep watching. Okay, because, you know, COVID still hasn't disappeared rudely, you know, we have to be really mindful of moving from A to B and other people that we're getting in contact with. So, gotta have the kits. So definitely gonna bring a full pack of the rapid flow tests, lateral flow tests, sorry, and make sure that everyone who's involved has taken one or two, just to be 100% sure, and also it'll, you know, make me feel a bit more relaxed. Always have one of these on hand. This is just one of the Garnier antibacterials, and a pack of masks. You know, like these are the disposable ones, but and I'm gonna have my own reusable one, but if anyone doesn't have one, I can just hand them out, give them out, and I'll keep that in my bag. First things first though is the bag. So I actually got this for a present thing for my brother actually, and it's such a good bag. It's got normal handles, it's got a big handle here over the shoulder, it has like a leather bottom, so you know it's nice and sturdy, and it's also super flexible and it's not rigid, so I can basically pack it as full as I can. So I'm gonna be using this pretending I'm going on holiday, really, like a long weekend, or you know what you'd pack for a short haul, long haul flight. And just think of absolutely everything. I mean, there are so many tips and tricks out there, but these are the ones that I've written down that I'm gonna hopefully find very, very useful, and I'll let you know the other side if I missed anything. Definitely one of the easier things to remember, I think, but just your phone and charger, and make sure they are very easily accessible. You're going to be, you know, needing to ring estate agents, maybe the solicitor, your removal people, your mum, whoever. Make sure that you have a cable that plugs straight into your socket when you get there, but also for your car, if you have a USB port in your car, as you definitely don't want to be stuck anywhere without it. And of course your phone. I mean, honestly, the amount of times I've left the house needing my phone and I forgot it. If you've got a lot on your mind, then just make sure you have this right by your side. Then, you know, just to make us all comfortable, wear something very, very cozy. I'm obsessed with this jumper. It's so cozy and warm, but I will also have like a vest underneath, because when you're moving things, and what if it's a hot day? Right now it's January here in the UK, so I don't think we're gonna really be having a heat wave. Although global warming, like, we could do, but you know, fingers crossed we don't. And just some really comfy leggings, so you don't have to worry about being restricted by what you're wearing. Jeans, like, don't even think about it. And just make sure there's nothing like strappy that could fall down, that would, you know, obviously you want to be safe as well, so nothing that's dangling, and you know, you just want to make sure that you're in the right sort of athleisure, sort of like you're going to go work out. That's what I would recommend. So one of the most important things, I think, are food supplies. There's going to be a lot of energy, you know, it's going to be a lot of emotions, it's going to be tough, so making sure that you have the supplies to keep you going. Some coffee, got some biscuits, some chocolate, some crisps. Make sure you're fully hydrated, and with that, make sure you bring like a reusable water bottle and a few mugs as well, like 2-3 mugs. Wine glasses, wine, like whatever you're going to need for the other day, because when you're all sorted and you're just so tired, the last thing you want to be doing is opening up all of your boxes looking for this stuff, so make sure you have it to hand. Another essential, probably more important than food, is this toilet paper. This is the Who Gives a Crap actually. I was talking about this in my last video because I've saved a lot of the boxes that they deliver this in, and this is especially good because I feel like toilet roll, say if you spilled something or you put it next to, I don't know, it got ruined, you know, it's easier to have something that's pre-packaged, and this is, it's paper, so you can just either reuse it again or chuck it in the recycling. So 2 of these to put straight in the bathroom when you get there, so anyone that is going from A to B doesn't have to worry about where the loo is, you know, they're all sorted. And you know, things like soap and a hand towel, very useful. The tip I saw recently that I thought was genius is a pack of bed sheets, and to bring with you in your bag. So don't pack them, don't wrap them, don't put them anywhere, just keep them like this in your bag, and keep it all in like the pillowcase. So wrap everything, the bottom sheet, the duvet, the rest of the pillowcases inside one pillowcase to make it easier to transport. And the tip is to set up, build, or like move your bed in straight away, the one that you'll be sleeping in that night. And if you have children, their beds too, or anyone else who's staying over, and make the bed, because you will not want to make the bed when you're absolutely knackered and just want to pass out. That is the last thing on your list. So just do it whilst you're full of energy and get it done, so that when you're all finished at the end of the day, you can just collapse. A few more. So bin bags, that's another thing. You know, there might be things or items left at the house that you're moving to, or the apartment that you're moving to, that shouldn't have been left there, or anything that you maybe have taken which you probably didn't need. You know, if you're gonna get like a takeaway, or you're gonna, you know, dispose of things, sacks. These are so helpful to just have, and then, you know, like I could just slot that into the bag really easily and have, so anyone that needs to get rid of anything can go straight in one of these and you can put it straight in your bin. How cool is this bag? I don't know where I got it from. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? So this bag is full of bathroom stuff and toiletries and things like that. And I think it's quite easy to pack away everything, like your shampoos and everything around the shower. So I recommend that you don't. You just, when you get to that point, pack everything in one bag to bring with you for yourself, your partner, your family, and make sure it's really accessible. So this is just really simple stuff, and I feel like it could be really basic, but like I said before, if you've got a million and one things going on, you could forget your toothbrush, or you could forget something. You know, if you're super into your skincare, like I'd super recommend. I would recommend getting one of these pouches of, you know, little minis, or if you know, even better for the environment, use up what you already have. I know I have loads of samples that I'm trying to use up. This is the time to use them. This is perfect. So this little pack has a soap in it, has a sponge, cleanser, toner, that sort of thing. You know, you might even want to put a mask on at the end of the day if you're absolutely knackered. I'm going to be keeping one of these with me, like if you get stressed easily or you have anxiety, then bringing your essential oils. This is a lavender one, smells so good. Just have it on hand, or if you have the rollable essential oils, I have a few of them. This is incredible if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed and, you know, having maybe a moment of panic, and it can happen. Just make sure you're prepared. That should make you feel less anxious too, knowing that you have a tool to help you straight away. This is Tisserand. I really like their stuff. They've got loads of stuff in Boots. In terms of this one, you can just pop straight into a diffuser. I just sometimes carry it around with me to smell. It's really, really strong, and it just makes me feel so much better and a lot more calm. And, you know, for yourself and everyone else, it'll make the day run so much more smoother if you're zen and chill. So little minis, little skincare, and like an essential oil to help you if you feel a bit overwhelmed. A few other toiletries which I'm going to be bringing with me: bar of soap for the downstairs loo and wherever, some wipes, I've got my shampoo and conditioner to use straight away. I think it's going to be probably quite like a sweaty day, so having a shower at the end of the day and not having to rifle through all of your products and all of the boxes just to find shampoo and conditioner and body wash, absolutely perfect. And something that I've actually just thought of because I've seen it in the bag is an eye mask. So I have so many of these from like the plane and, you know, from gifts and things, and I feel like putting up curtains and curtain rails, if you don't already have them at your property that you're going to, is a big faff. So in order for you to just get some shut-eye and a quick night's sleep, you know, after such a long day. You don't really want to be woken up earlier than you need to be. So I would just bring an eye mask if you don't have your curtains up yet. It's just going to be really helpful to make sure you get all the rest that you need. Okay, a few more things, I'm nearly done. So I've mentioned this in my last video, make sure you bring this with you in your handbag or your hold all. This is just cleaning stuff. I think if you're putting items straight away into drawers and into cupboards, things like that, closets, give it a quick spritz first so you don't have to take everything back out again to clean it. It'll just make your life so much easier. Bring a few cloths and then you can just chuck them in the washing machine when you're done. Okay, next is so important. It's these guys. Your packing tools are easily as useful as your unpacking tools. So scissors or like what's it called? A knife to open boxes, I know there's a word for it, and screwdrivers for helping you put back your furniture together, things like that. So helpful to have straight away because those are the sort of things that you're going to want to do as soon as you step foot in the property. So you're not going to need your tape. You're done with the tape, put the tape away for another day, and these two are going to be lifesavers. Last thing, because it's my favourite thing, is if you take your vitamins or you take medication, I feel like they're very small pernickety things that could easily be lost, and especially this really important medication, you don't want to lose this. So I found something via someone on Instagram and I bought it. It's amazing. It's this. It matches my jumper. On brand. Okay, so it looks like a giant pill. It's a travel pill organizer. It's really helpful. You can tag this onto your bag like so, or just pop it in. And it opens, I hope I'm not gonna do this wrong way. Yes, it opens like so. You can take, I think you can take both off. And as you can kind of see, let me just make sure that you can see that. You see that? As you can see, the days of the week are written down from Sunday to Saturday, and they open, I think there might be some like omegas in here. They open like so. And you can kind of see there are some little fish oil things in there, and it's just a really handy little gadget to keep with you to make sure that you have, it's a week's worth, so you know you don't have to worry about finding all of your, if you have like a medicine cabinet or you have like things that you're going to bring with you, vitamin C, whatever everyone has, it's all in one of these, and it's so helpful, and you can just pop it by your bedside table, and it's one less thing to think about when you move, and you know, it's one thing less thing to lose, which is very important, especially if you're on medication and you haven't quite changed over to your new doctors yet. Just having that there is going to be such like a relief. I'll link this down below if I can still find it. It's from Amazon. There are a few colours, and I just think this is the neatest gadget. It's really helpful for travel as well. If you're going on holiday, you can put a week or 2 weeks worth depending on how many vitamins and pills that you have. So yeah, big fan. That's it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. If you got this far, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be having a lot more home moving renovation types of videos going forward for the next few months, which is really, really exciting. I have a huge love for houses and interiors and all these sorts of stuff, and I love watching these types of videos on YouTube. So if you enjoyed it, just give that like. Thank you so much for being here. Hopefully, I think in the next video I'll be doing more of a vlog. It depends what we're up to. I'm actually moving job at the same time, so it's a little stressful, but it's gonna get done, and I've got lots of help, which is amazing. And yeah, I'm just gonna get organized, and I guess I will see you in the next video.